Hi everyone, you're welcome to today's video. I'm Victoria Vic, and if you're just visiting me for the first time, if you're just seeing this channel for the first time, you're super welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to grow your hair naturally with rice water, how to make your hair full. And if your hair falls, like if your hair breaks and you don't have front hair, you want your hair to be super full, attractive and nice, I'm going to show you how to do this naturally at home using rice water. We also have our rice flour. We have our rice powder. In my previous video I talked about how to produce your rice powder. If you haven't watched it, click the link above to watch it. Okay, so today it's all about how to grow your hair. If this is your first time of joining, please tap the subscribe button to join Victoria Vic channel. We review products that work and we tell you the right products to use for your skin. The first thing we're going to be doing is to get a relaxer. Naturally I don't use this relaxer for my hair. I use olive relaxer, but for the purpose of this video I'm just gonna use this. Okay, and I'm gonna be touching only my front hair. Okay, so now if you're in the salon, I'm just showing you step by step. If you're in the salon, let them be touch the hair with your regular relaxer. So I'm just gonna wait for it to retouch, to relax, right? Regular, just the normal way we all do it. So the next step is I'm gonna wait for this hair to relax fully. And these are rice flour. A rice flour, a rice powder. So follow me because I'm going to show you all you can do with this rice water. I'm going to show you all you can do with this rice water and rice flour, like I told you guys in the beginning. So I'm just waiting for my hair to dry. While we're waiting, let's arrange the house.
I wanna sleep, you wanna chat, you wanna talk about the thises and the that's. Oh no, oh no.
The hair is due now. I'm just gonna make use of this shampoo to wash the hair. Okay, this is black hair shampoo. It's just gonna make my hair a bit darker. It's not recommended you use it. You can use your regular shampoo. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash this relaxer out. See you when I'm back. We're done washing the hair. Okay, we're done washing the relaxer out. Okay, so you see I'm done washing the hair. Condition it. So I'm just gonna condition it. Remember the first thing I did was to wash off with shampoo. So I'm just conditioning it now. Okay, so that's the next step. I just condition the hair. So the next thing I'm going to do is this is a bowl of water and this is my rice powder. I'm going to pour some quantity into this water. Have you seen it? That is my rice powder. I just poured the quantity into it. So I'm just going to use this now to go and rinse off my hair. So I'm done using the rice water to rinse off my hair. Okay, so this is what we have. Look at it. It makes your hair full and it makes your hair last. It stops hair breakage, rice water, and so on and so forth. So if you make this a habit, anytime you relax your hair and use rice water to rinse off, you will come back and testify because your hair will be super grown and full and your hair will be thick without hair loss. Your hair will be thick. So I'm just using this to brush out the little rice particles on my hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please come back to this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay.